Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this channel, we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you find this type of content interesting, do consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Today we have an interesting plug and very much ideal for students. So if you are a student and want to make yourself some extra cash, then this video is definitely for you. So this platform will pay you for your documents. So if you are studying and have your study materials, your study notes, you can just sell them on this platform and get extra cash. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So name of the platform is Studypool, and you can sell your document, you can become a tutor, you can get study tool, you can get educators, and here it says 24/7 study help, get help with study questions from verified tutors, or get access to over 20 million study document from the North Bank. So let's just scroll down to check how the platform works. So they say you first post a question and then they connect you to a tutor and then explanation and answers. So and the post a question, so ask all types of questions, big or small, from basic math to rocket science, and then our system will recommend the best tutors for your question, and then tutors give quality explanation and answers via messenger. So this one is pretty much for students. So let's go ahead and click on sell documents, and then we'll land on this page. It says earn money by selling your study documents and up to 5,000 US dollars a month. We share your docs with tens of million students. You get up to $10 every time a student views one. So this is how it works. First, you upload your document. They say upload class note, old homework, exam quiz, prep, zip files, etc. And then you get approved. They say our system reviews and approves uploaded documents for quality. And then you go, it's viewed by student. They say tens of millions students search and have access to your document. After you earn money, you earn up to $10 every time a student views your document. So it is that simple, you guys. So if you have study notes or you have textbook at home, you can just upload. You never know, someone might view your notes and you'll get yourself some extra cash, because they're saying it's class notes, it's just old homework, exam quiz prep, zip files, etc. So you go ahead and try your luck. So here is an example of documents that are top selling. So as you can see, this one is 9 pages and a total sales is $4,404 times sold. It has been sold 734 times. So you can see if you have notes either for medical surgery, for algebra, anything math, science, business, so you can take a picture of your notes or scan your note, scan your textbook, scan whatever you're using for studying, and upload them on this site. And then far right is their top contributors and their top earners actually. So as you can see, people are making a lot of money. Some are making $92,732, and the list goes on and on. So I think this website is basically worth a try. So if you've got notes or notebooks that are sitting at home, then go ahead and scan those notebook and make yourself some extra cash. So here are some of the reviews, but we're going to read only the one from William T. He says, I am so happy to come across this opportunity. It's very easy to upload documents to the site. That's the only thing I have to worry about. And being in my last year of college, I'm constantly uploading every week, which has really been the key driver to my earnings. At this point, earning a couple hundred extra dollars a month passively has helped so much with my college expenses. So it is working for William. So if you also a college student, it can work for you. And then to get started, you will click on Start Selling Documents Now, and then you will land on this page and you will sign up. If you don't have an account with them, you will click on sign up, and then type in your email address, username, password, and then you create an account. Then start selling your documents. That's it from me, guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye.